Welcome to JH. Today, we'll explore how to design a CD cover using Canva. This platform makes professional design simple for everyone, whether you're working on a music album, a podcast, or a personal project. A great cover helps your work get noticed. Let's walk through the process of building a custom design in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and visiting canva.com. Use the search bar at the top to look for CD cover. This will display numerous templates specifically sized for this purpose. You'll find many different styles and aesthetics to choose from. Take your time looking through them, and once you find a layout that fits your project's mood, click on it to see a preview. Next, select Customize this template to begin editing. You can easily modify the text to match your CD's details. Just click any text box to type in your title, artist name, or other information. You can also adjust the font style, size, and color to better fit your vision. If the default background doesn't work for you, feel free to swap it for a different color or image. To make it truly yours, head to the Uploads tab on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can import your own photos or graphics. Once they are uploaded, simply drag and drop your image onto the canvas. This is perfect for adding personal artwork or specific photos. After placing your picture, right-click it and choose Replace Background to make it fill the entire space instantly. This simple step can completely change the look of your cover and help it resonate with your listeners. That's all it takes. In just a few easy steps, you've produced a professional CD cover with Canva. You can always refine your design until it's perfect. Remember to download your final work in the format you need for printing or digital sharing. Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to be creative and elevate your projects. Thanks for joining us, and enjoy your designing.